Hi, welcome to this video. In the previous video, we talked about executing a particular statement or a set of statements multiple times using loops. In this video, we are going to talk about functions, which help us in performing the same type of task, for example like printing. Printing Python is awesome and I am awesome are two different statements, but same type of statements. Both are print statements, but print two entirely different statements. While printing Python is awesome 1000 times is done via loops, printing in general is handled by functions. So, what is a function? Function is a reusable piece of code created to solve a specific type of problem, like printing any statement we saw earlier. Functions are of two types. First, the built-in functions provided by Python, like the print statement we commonly use. Range function that we saw in the loops, min, max, etc. The second type of functions are user-defined functions that we can create to solve our problem, for example like function to calculate area of any circle. Let's see how we can define a function in Python. A function is defined by a def keyword followed by the function name and arguments enclosed in the brackets. This is followed by a colon and some indented statements with a return statement at the end. A return statement is what exits the function. It may or may not return anything. So for example, let's create a function to calculate the area of a circle given a radius. Since we want to calculate area of the circle for any radius, we will keep radius as a user passed argument. So this is how we can create a function. The name of our function is area circle with radius as the argument. Then followed by the formula to calculate area of circle and then returning this area using return statement. Now let's see how we can use this function to calculate the area for these two different circles. We can just call the function by using its function name followed by 1 as an argument for the smaller circle and 3 for the larger one. This is how we call the functions. Also, we can call functions anywhere in our entire code. This was all about functions. In the next video, we'll see how to implement these functions in Python. Thank you.